got some cake in there.
That's awesome.
Oh my god, that is so cool.
I've got a bigger engine. It's called a Mogul.